What is it?
If your computer boots up like this, probably you should consider upgrading your RAM. In this video, we are going to see how you can upgrade your RAM. To know about your RAM, first you should open your task manager. You can do it by searching here, or you can use the shortcut shown below. The task manager is just a tool which provides you a lot of useful information about your computer. As you can see here, if we look at the memory, 58% of it is being used, which is a lot since I don't have any open applications right now. On this side you can see how much RAM you have, which is 4 GB here, and the type of RAM, which is DDR3 in my case. And over here you see I have 2 slots for my RAM and I am using only one, so I can use the empty one and increase my RAM capacity. So let's get into it. I am going to use this Asus laptop to show you how to upgrade your RAM. As I showed you before, this currently has 4 GB of RAM. First you should flip over your laptop. Do it carefully. Next, you need to find your RAM. Look out for these and you will find it easily. Once you have done that, you have to disconnect the power cord and the battery from your laptop. As you can see here, there are hinges which hold the battery in place. Unlock them to remove the battery. Next, use a screwdriver to unscrew the casing and remove it.
Did you do that? Inner peace.
Now we can install the new RAM. As you can see here, there is a notch and you have to align it properly. I've got the new RAM with me here. You have to insert it slowly and carefully. Then just press it down gently. We are pretty much done now. Just replace the casing along with the screw. And finally replace the battery. Now if I turn on my computer and open the task manager, you can see that I have used both slots and I have 8 GB of RAM. And by doing this, you can have a laptop with an upgraded RAM. This was the shortest possible way I could explain it. As always, leave your suggestions in the comments below.